Hi and welcome. This is a dashboard which I've just created for you with RStudio. This is a Shiny application and with the Titanic dataset. So now we are in RStudio. As you can see, we need to download only 5 libraries. This is a Shiny dashboard and so on. And as you can see, with not so much steps, you can create very nice application. As you can see, this is dashboard from Titanic dataset. I've put there 4 visualizations, 4 graphs, and this is a very nice example of, you see that there is about Titanic dataset, some facts, and you can open it in the browser, of course, and you can share with your colleagues, with your friends, with your job, and so on. This Titanic dataset is often used for educational purpose. So you see this is Shiny library, Shiny dashboard, ggplot2, dplyr, and Titanic. So if you load dataset, you can create your, you can define your UI, and you can create in small time, only a little time you will need to create nice dashboard. So if you go through this code, of course, it can help you ChatGPT, it can help you another AI tool. And this is not so important how to take this code. Important is how to work with this code and how to style your dashboard. So you can put another data, you can choose, you can load all these things, and you will have nice dashboard. So please, you can start every day, and there are more, so much, for example, of plots which you can create, and can create nice content for your dashboard. So I hope it was useful for you. You will look what strong is Shiny application tool, and you can create your nice dashboard. There are more possibilities how to publish this dashboard, so you can just look in documentation from RStudio, for example, and at the end you have this nice dashboard. So have a nice day and try to create your own dashboard and publish it. Your job, it will be very good and you will be very happy. So have a nice day and see you next time. Bye everyone.